What's up, family? Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am creating a Mother's Day tablescape. It's been a while since I've done that on this channel, right? Yeah, this channel was founded on the tablescape. That's why it's called Tanya's Tasteful Table. Because as a former caterer, I did a lot of tabletop decor and stuff like that. So today, and for special occasions, I love to create a special tablescape. So I just got out of the garden, pulled myself together, and had a few minutes. I said, let me go on and make good use of my time and create a tablescape. So let me see, I pulled everything that I want to use. I hope it comes out nice because I'm just pulling it together along with you guys. And you know, if you've been following me for a while, you know I like to create tablescapes inexpensively. I like everything to look nice and upscale and good quality, but I don't want to spend a whole lot of money. So I got all the things I pulled together met the bill. Okay, so let's get started. Here is the centerpiece. This is a live plant arrangement, and this is what I would do when I was a caterer. I catered for a lot of medical, I did like doctors and doctors' offices would hire me if they were having like special seminars and meetings, and I would cater for them. And most of them were men, and a lot of it was in like, medical facilities. So I didn't want to bring flowers. So I started making like assorted plant arrangements like for the buffet table, the drinks table, and all the tables. So this is just something that has always worked well for me. And then like other people like musicians would hire me if they were like having a get together, or certain choirs in the area. And so I would either make, I very seldom did flowers. And so I would make something like this, or I would make a beautiful fruit arrangement. Then at the end of the event, if the promoter wanted the arrangement, they could have it. Or I would take it, like a lot of times during Christmas time, I would have several on deck. And so there was times I would just take like one arrangement for like all of my events for that year, because no one wanted to, they just like didn't have places to keep it and stuff. So this is our spring garden Mother's Day tablescape. Okay. And so Jasmine, these candles inspired the color scheme, and that's all jasmine, amber, and musk. And then I had those, and then when I went to Dollar Tree and I saw these pretty placemats, like I love those with the little yellow butterflies. Let's see if I could incorporate these butterflies somewhere. Let's see if it helps. These are candle holders, so I can just put them on the back side here. I have to dig for my tea lights, so I'll get that detail squared away when closer to brunch time. And these gorgeous, I love these gorgeous glassware. Says happiness grows here. It has butterflies and a little truck of butterflies. Aren't those cute? So I think this, and I also wanted to add to, of course, I love the napkins, but I like having the succulent napkin rings on there. And they have, the tips of the succulents are purple, and I've seen those, seen the live plants that look like that. So, yeah, so this is our garden party Mother's Day brunch tablescape. Okay, guys, so let's see, you could take a closer look. I think you guys can see everything. Okay, well, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Let me sit down. I've been in the garden. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you got some inspiration from this tablescape for Mother's Day brunch. And what I like about this is that the dinnerware is very classic and white, and everyone eats, feels better about eating off of a white plate. But then you had everything, the colors, and you got everything from the colors. Then you got live foliage. I'm so tired of all of my little plastic and rubber plants. I was like, oh, I have a garden again this year, and I want my real stuff back, okay? Okay, guys, thanks so much. I appreciate your support. So glad you tuned in today. And if you like my vibe, if you're new, if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Tastemakers. Bye, Mom.